Newspaper paragraph 4. It has just been decided at the party level that all those trying to influence or steal public mandate in the next elections will surely be dealt under the subversion provision of the Constitution. Full stop. The PTI will not spare anyone trying to violate the sacred right of people to choose a government of their choice. Full stop. The country had already experienced political meltdown as 65% seats of parliament stood vacant now. Full stop. Economic meltdown is just around the corner. Full stop. Even in these circumstances, the ruling elite has nothing to do but conspire against Imran Khan and the PTI. Full stop. The PTI leader said his party had sent a limited number of members back to the National Assembly for depriving Raja Riaz, a party rebel, of his status as leader of opposition. Full stop. New para. But suddenly, the speaker's office, which had not been accessible for the past 3 days, sprang into action and accepted over 40 resignations of the PTI members of National Assembly, and the ECP, as expected, played the role of a post office and quickly notified the decision, he regretted. Full stop. This is a crude display of moral deficit. Full stop. He also tweeted that the purpose of PTI members going back to the assembly was to oust Raja Riaz from the opposition of the opposition leader. Full stop. Otherwise, we have no reason to return to the National Assembly, he tweeted, adding, right now, Shehbaz Sharif and his government have lost the support of 172 lawmakers. Full stop. He also pointed out that 40% of seats in the National Assembly were now empty. Full stop. The only solution of this crisis is elections. Full stop. New para. While asking the judiciary to play its role, the PTI leader pointed an accusing finger at it as well, the judiciary should also be blamed for the current mess. Full stop. It was Supreme Court's decision that has created the current crisis. Full stop. It must try to clean it now. Full stop. Take notice, set things right. PTI members failed to meet CJP, although there was no official word from the Secretariat about the fate of the remaining members whose designations had not yet been formally approved by the Speaker. A delegation of 8 members visited the Supreme Court on Tuesday to meet the Chief Justice over the issue of resignation. Full stop.